Okay.
Please don't scream all the
Okay.
time.
So the good is and your phone number you like better?
Yeah, because I don't want to depend on you, because
Okay.
also you scream on top of
Okay.
not being reliable.
Okay. That's good. Save. Complete a few suggestions. Not now.
Can you move away from the camera? Thank you.
Click not now.
Wow, look at the messages.
Are you in the right account? Make sure you're in the right account. I'd like
Just
the A to
calm
make sure.
down, please.
Make sure you're in the right account. Yeah.
You're in the right account.
Wow.
Yeah.
So might as well make a voice call too.
There's no voice call tonight.
Okay.
I disconnected that a long time ago.
Okay, and it says your Google account is active
Sign in.
for today. It's active.
Garbage from years ago.
Yeah. You want to empty it?
23. Everything underneath here is earlier than 23.
Yeah.
Learn more about updated term. Just Google garbage.
Yeah.
Delete everything.
So put the delete right there. Okay. You want to send out an email just so you know you sent something out?
So
It's
I
not active.
go to voice and see that there's nothing there. See?
Yes. So,
Please don't scream at me
Okay.
all the time. Okay, so now I want to go
What?
back
To where?
to look at what else
You have for Google?
on Google Voice. You're just screaming at
Okay.
me and I cannot handle you, so
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Google. Google Voice number will expire. If you don't want to click.
So I want to delete it, you understand?
Because you know you've used it already?
No, that I'm going to now make another folder here,
Okay.
right here,
Yeah.
and mark it in a way that it is different.
Okay.
Okay, what?
You're gonna mark it that it's different. You want to put braces there, but you're having a problem with your mouse.
Squeeze out of you something that takes any brains whatsoever is always a nightmare. Never changes. So below the file names,
Yeah.
I'm going to put in a brace instead of a bracket.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to edit
Edit.
and paste. And then close brace.
Yeah.
So this is the next account that I want to log into. Run you happy Ed. You understand?
Yes.
So I go to another email client, and this one, which I already deleted, I thought, but somehow it is still here.
This is the sign into your account.
Yes, and I need to delete this too.
Right.
And now,
Do you want to delete these two too?
economist
No, after the economist
security
said
alert, this I want to delete
delete,
for sure.
Yeah.
Verification code.
Verification
We
code.
finished with them, we got two of them.
Yes.
Curious thing.
Lucy took a call for you.
Okay, that we can deal with later. I
Yeah.
don't have to deal with it now. But now I want to change from here to the new account. Repeat it.
You want to change to the new account.
So,
You want to get,
and they're
you've
telling
already
me that
signed the
it's-
maximum, so you have to get out of.
So I go back and I'm going to exit from all the accounts.
Sign
Sign
out.
out from all of them.
Okay.
Then sign in again.
Right. Sign in with ARush. That's good. Next. Next. Okay.
And now I want to repeat the same thing.
Add account.
You want to go to the other side because
Yeah.
this camera is right here, and this way you can get your pretty face in there too.
Thank you, but
I can raise it a little bit, make it a little higher so it captures both of us.
okay.
Or at least captures me.
Just captures you. Use another account.
Use another account, paste the other account, and next.
Next.
Then go to the next. Stay here.
And now it wants a recovery email and a phone.
So I'm going to put in another.
Email and phone.
Start with the phone, copy, and paste. Select mine, select,
You need to select an email.
and then the email is going to be
S.
Dr. ARush.
Okay.
Dr. ARush at gmail.com. Can you repeat it, please?
Yes, you put in an email, drarush@gmail.com.
Are you recording from your glasses?
No.
Why don't you try that and see if that works? Okay, and then not now. Now I want to make an outbound call.
Okay, you want to make an outbound call?
Before I do that, I want to delete 30 days.
Security alert.
So I want to delete everything that is irrelevant now. So I delete these emails.
Right.
Then I want to go to
What?
voice, repeat it.
You want to click on voice. You want to make a call.
Then I want to make a call, not to this number,
No.
but we can try this number and see if it
Yeah.
works.
You want me to pick up? Do you want me to pick up?
No, there's no need to pick up anything.
Because the answering machine doesn't work.
Doesn't matter. All you need to hear
Okay.
is the phone call.
You don't have to have an acceptance?
No.
Okay.
And it will hang up anyways.
Okay.
You don't know it by now. Yes, now. Oh, I forgot.
What? You forgot
Okay,
what?
hang on.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
Now air open.
And this is Avi
Is
calling.
not available.
It's not available.
The mailbox is full and cannot accept
Yeah.
any messages at this time. Goodbye.
Fine, so that worked fine.
Okay.
So what do I need to do next?
You want to
Put an open parentheses in front
of the R,
of the run.
in front of the letter R.
And then a close
parentheses
parenthesis after the
letter
letter N.
N.
So isolating the word on its
Right.
own. And put a few spaces on the bottom. And then take the phone number, message to the right,
Will expire.
edit, copy, and paste it overwrite at gmail.com.
And you want to put not.
Insert the word not before expire, will not expire in 30 days.
You want a capital T.
Not expire, not necessarily, but it doesn't really matter. I will remove the cap lock and not. And then I want to retrieve
Retrieve what?
the address of the Google Voice subfolder. Repeat it,
You
please.
want to retrieve the address of the Google Voice folder.
Subfolder, I said.
I didn't hear the sub.
You hear it now?
Yeah. You want to retrieve
And
the
here it
Google
is.
Voice subfolder.
Right mouse click and copy to the clipboard buffer, then scroll to the top and insert it before
You want to insert
as
it
a
before.
prefix.
As a prefix.
Now I got a complete prefix and a suffix with file name separated by a backslash.
Separated by a backslash.
Copy the entire string into the clipboard
Copy the
buffer
entire string.
and file save as and paste.
Paste it in the file name. Now you want to click on the top.
I also don't want it to go to the log.
You don't want to be
So
in the log.
folder, I want it to go to the
To what?
Google Voice folder and save.
Save. Okay.
And now that it's saved,
Yes.
I'm going to mark it with an X, meaning I don't need to save it there anymore.
Right.
But what I do want to do
Right.
now,
Is upload
upload to what?
to Drive.
That's right, I want to upload it to Drive. So I'm going to go to Drive, then select plus new, then
Folder.
select folder. And then when it comes out with the path, I will paste
Paste it and remove the other part.
and remove everything to the right of the
Folder.
Google Voice.
Folder.
So I keep only the folder and enter one time and
And
enter a
upload.
second time. Then click upload, repeat it.
Click the upload key. Click again.
Keep
Replay,
select, keep both
folders,
folders and upload.
So you want to back up?
And down read, it says 10 of 318. Make a note. 10
10, 318.
of 318. So now I have it in the cloud, all
Now
of
you
that.
have it in the cloud.
In addition, I want to save it in yet another place. File, save as.
File,
And what is
save
the
as.
other place?
Log.
No log.
Where?
Open parenthesis, run
Oh.
unhappy,
Run.
add. So I'm going to look for open parentheses,
See? Open
then the
run.
word run,
Here's run.
unhappy add, which
You.
is right here.
You happy, not on.
Run you happy add.
Right, you said run unhappy.
I made a mistake.
Right. Well,
Thank you. This is
correct
why I like you to stay here and correct me.
you said unhappy.
Because the transcriber doesn't understand it.
On.
Do you
It
follow
doesn't know.
me?
It doesn't know to correct you.
That's right. Now I want to get the entire path into the... Are you listening to me?
Yeah.
What did I say?
You want to get the entire path.
And the file name. And save it. And now what's the next step?
You want to put a note in the comment section. Press enter and click OK.
And then plus new folder upload, paste,
Paste. You want the
remove
folder
everything to
thing
the right
of you happy.
of the subfolder name.
Right.
Enter and return once, return twice.
And upload.
Click upload once, select keep both and click upload again. And then read 0 of 3, paste,
It's now 3 of 3.
edit, paste. Doesn't matter. When I look at it, it was 0. 0 of 3. Remember, this is developing an algorithm.
Okay.
And put an X in front of it, which means that I've finished everything
It's completed.
concerning that.
It's completed.
You understand? Then I save it again, file
Okay.
save. Then I can edit also as a comment here, what I have already done once for the previous one, but this can be another one. Paste and OK. And now I basically finish with this record.
Right.
So I want to create a psar for that, you understand? So explain to me, what am I doing now?
Now you're creating a problem step
Problem step what?
recorder.
So what should be the next step?
You want to review the additional details.
No, I want to click save. Take the previous file name.
And then update it.
That will be version B.
version B. And now it
The
is
time is
4:40.
4:40. Now I want to get the new file name.
It's not water
Instead
bill.
of the pool water bill readout.
Right, it's not that.
Paste the new file name.
Yeah.
But I don't need the entire thing.
No.
So everything
Yeah,
to the right of the backslash,
To the left,
to the left,
not to the right.
delete. Now I got the complete file name.
What is this?
This is the URL for Loom.
No, this one.
This is the URL for Loom, the parameter that gives you the variable that relates to the previous session.
Okay.
Do you understand it? Let me
No.
mark it again in slow-mo.
No. What is 6? What is
The Loom
Loom.
provides you with a number after their standard location of the files. The last component of their URL is a number that identifies a specific video file name.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
So I included here for
For
you
what?
to know that if I want to retrieve, I have two video file names. I have my video, which is an MPEG
Yeah.
from Webcam Max,
Yeah.
and then I have another video. This is MPEG and this is MP4 from Loom. Do you understand that?
But I thought you're still
Sharam
recording.
pam pam, no
But
garbage.
you're still
This is two
recording them.
different ones. This is from the previous recording. Now this will be another number. So when I end it, I'll show it to you.
Okay. But
This
it's,
is the previous video from Loom, and here's the previous video from MSN Recorder Max, and this is the current video of MSN Recorder Max. Don't interrupt me. And the next video file from Loom will appear when I stop this Loom run. Do you understand that?
So you could take this into Loom and you find your file?
Of course.
Just that number?
Yes. Not
I
just
need
this
to-
number. I have to have the prefix, which is fixed.
Yeah. Well, you need the prefix. Just
The
not done.
string has two components, a fixed component and a variable component.
Right.
Whatever I marked now, which
Okay.
component is it?
That's a variable component.
That's right. So what is it complicated?
No,
here?
because you said you can, with this, you can search it on its own.
Yeah, I have to put the prefix.
Right, you didn't say that.
Jesus Christ. Do you understand it now?
Yeah, but you didn't say that.
Okay, let me show it to you. I guess if you see it, you'll understand it better. You see, this is file names. Do you understand?
Those are paths I see in a file. Yeah. I don't see Loom.
You have to scroll down.
Okay.
Some places I saved it, some places I don't.
Okay.
I don't do Loom every time. But if you scroll long enough, you'll eventually find a Loom.
You do Control F.
You
Loom.
can search for it too.
You can search. I don't see any Loom. Why don't you search?
Control F,
Loom.
Loom.
Where is it?
Be another one.
Oh,
Here
there
it is.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, find next. Another one, another one. Eventually it will be here. This is
Okay, here it is.
so
Yeah.
here this is the
Oh,
prefix, you
okay.
understand?
Prefix to share. Yeah, now I see. Okay.
The HTTP,
Yeah, right.
and then the suffix contain a unique number.
So it's Loom.
The together, tam tam tam, no garbage. Let
Is
me
they share-
finish. Let me finish and keep it zipped up. Then when I'm done, then you say your piece.
Okay.
You cannot talk together and have the transcriber understand anything.
Mm-hmm.
So this mark that I made now on the string includes the constant part of the loom.com URL. The second part, that is some kind of a random number, identifies uniquely each video file. When you combine the prefix and the suffix, you get a complete URL. So if I copy it now to the buffer and open another browser or another tab, I'll be able to play
Find that file.
a video that contains
Right.
the previous session.
From November 23rd.
Whatever it was,
Yeah. Okay, fine.
you understand?
Yeah. And it gives you the summary here, what you put.
Yeah, the summary.
And the comment, right.
The comments and chapters maybe. You have to go to the very end to see.
What'd you put? No comments.
3 attachments.
Right. Okay, fine.
Anyways, it depends. I'm not consistent. You understand?
Yeah.
Do you understand now what I was telling you?
That's why you want the computer to do it, so the computer will be consistent each time.
Yes.
And depending on the time you have, sometimes you have to go out quickly and do something, like meet, whatever.
Yes.
Okay.
You understand it
Yeah.
now? Now that you confused me thoroughly and I don't remember what I was doing.
You were
That's the
right here.
problem of working with you. I
No,
create
you-
such chaos
You
and
asked me to
confusion.
comment.
So this is a complete file name now.
Right.
Now I want to have the path. Copy the path and insert the path at the beginning of the string, repeatedly.
You're putting, in the beginning of the string, you're putting the path in too.
Why?
So it will tell where directly it's being saved. Now you highlight the bottom file name.
You don't really need it because anytime that I have zip in here, it goes to the same folder. But this way it makes it more robust.
Makes it more descriptive.
More robust, which means that it, in internal control, when you have it twice, this zip type of file
ZP,
format
right?
should always go with this path.
With the
Do you understand that?
problem step recorder.exe path.
Right, and when they don't match like this, some error occurred, and there should be an exception report. I want to review additional details, scroll out to see which step was it, the last one, 436 steps. So what I would like to do is to take this video and submit it to this will be a long video, you understand? And see if video to text can transcribe all the steps correctly, you understand?
Use that as a sample.
Yes. So now I can start anew, paste the previous file in my notes in Psar,
Paste the previous.
.exe, and
Right.
okay. Then in my notes also edit, paste, and file save. Now I can also edit to the Google Drive, but this time it will be a file upload.
File upload.
You understand? And then I paste the file name here,
Nice.
and then open,
Okay.
and then it will say that it uploaded it.
3 uploads complete.
So then I go back, put an X in front of it, so I know that since it is only one file, there is no need to put one of one.
Yeah.
But if I want, I can go back and see. There's obviously only one file, so, and file save. So I finished that number, you understand? So now I'm going to go back to see what is another account that needs to be dealt with.
You want to tell Google
if there is any more.
Google Voice, no.
And here's another one
December 2nd.
and 2.
And what is his final notice? Oh, that's on forwarding. number.
Forwarding will
And
expire.
these are November. These are November here.
So it
Okay.
may be that I've done it already, but
you
I
forgot,
forgot to mark
to-
it
Okay, look at December 2nd.
on November
Do
19.
you want to start from the earlier date?
No, I'm going in order like this.
Okay. One extra. Have you done that?
I don't know. When I go inside, I'll be able to see. You understand? And if I've done it,
You'll know.
yeah. So now I'm going to put slashes. So open, right slash, paste the content, repeat it.
You're going
Please.
to paste the contents now. You're going to do the same slashes again.
No.
The other way.
Then open with right slash and close with left slash. So it looks like a screen marks.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you understand? Then I delete the message.
One strategic.
And then I'm copying it to the clipboard buffer to log into it. So I go to keep this intact so I
Yeah.
can come back to it later, but this I don't no longer need.
You want to sign out or what?
No, I want to. So confusing to me. Spewing garbage
this
all
is
the
another
time.
one. You want to
Just
go to the account?
let me figure what to do,
Add
and then
an
you
account.
repeat it. Add another
Okay.
account, and then add another account again.
Yes. Use
Don't
another.
throw trash to confuse me. I'm confused enough without you.
One
Let's see if
strategic.
that will work.
You want a verification?
Get verification code at 49.
That's you?
Get call at 49. Use another phone number. So at 49, I'll get a call.
Yeah, that's your call. So you check your phone. Is calling. That's not good.
Why?
Because you won't hear it.
I hear it.
Here, so answer it. Answer it.